Hi there, it's good to have you here again. I am Kemi, and this is question 10, Economics WASI Exam 2018. And the question goes thus: palm oil and palm kernel are in the first option, joint supply. Joint supply is an economic term referring to a product or a process that yields two or more outputs. Okay, if we take for instance in the livestock industry and we take the cow for instance, the cow can be used to utilize more than one product. The cow can be utilized for milk. The cow can be utilized for beef. The cow can be utilized also for hide, that is the skin of the cow. What about option B, competitive demand? With competitive demand, if you have two products, you will be able to derive equal satisfaction from these two products. Okay, take for instance if you have jam and marmalade. Okay, so from these two products you can derive equal satisfaction. So if you take jam, you also derive the same satisfaction if you either take marmalade. Okay, good. Then what about the third option, the competitive supply? Goods and services in competitive supply are usually alternative products. And to look at a very good example of this is to look at a product like the land, which is a resources. The land can be used for, let's say the land is formerly used for farming and later it was diverted to a building, a school building. Okay, so this is when a product is later diverted for another purpose. So this is a competitive supply. Alright, then the last option, which is complementary demand. For a complementary demand, when you demand for a product, it also generates the demand for another product. If we take for instance the demand for computer, we generate the demand for software. Alright, but these two products, mind you, these two products are different. They are two different products, but they are related. Alright, so the right answer, palm oil and palm kernel are both from the same source, the palm fruit. Okay, so when the palm oil is extracted, then what is left over is the palm kernel. Alright, so the right answer is the joint supply. Answer option A. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.